Oo na nakikinig ka sa akin yung pala nag-umpisa na pala tagal-tagal ng bakante. Diyos ko pakawa ng mga budag iti wala tong headset ko na isa. Okay na, may nawawala eh. Ayan na po, agsusubluin nga ro diti for the Kaduwa with our program at kami manan dito lang nga po 97.7 katata tayo niti maudi apaset kat mabalin na po ti laok-laok nga sonata mabalin ti English Tagalog yan kat pag-urayan kinamak manarima na po nga mga laldaw at DJ Pelarwar dagiti nga rapo dagiti mga blaaw manong pa-request man Taylana para kini Mark Anthony Nerida ken Johnny Nonesa graman kada kami nga trabaho dito'y Taoyuan, Taiwan, Roland Jr., Omeng, Ronnie, Nerida, brothers Ken, Joseph, and thanks manong. Unfortunately, aping lang nga mabasa da ito. Abi na udi ka nga nga nag-request. English kan Tagalog tatati sunsunatan ka ro ba? At oray ta ka, basahin talat na ito mga pangablaaw. Kunada dito'y manong nga doktor ti pang opera no ti 7-6 kamo ti may isang tao. Oh my God, 7-6 depende ti lugar nga ayan natatanga sis kapsat Emil no ita lang ayan ti bukong-bukong ako nga doktor ti masapulan. Aha, may sapay nga pangablaaw dito'y kunana Urayam aji ited ni Venus nga hopya matiak na kaapan yan da tere taawan mo't maluganak maamakak nga mangipa Santiago at ilugan ni ambak baka pag gihighway ko na bakit ko nga Juvie. Anyway, good afternoon kini classmate ni bagat ko ni Venus kini sino ba yan ni Ray de la Cruz kini Almira kita tayo matandaan ak launa ikan tayo tere nga kasangay ayan. Naimbag nga malam kada kayo dito amin na Manong June, ken JM, ken kasama kada kiti amin nga padaming ada dito palaso taaw. Request ko man, Your Love by Alamid, kunana ni Anthony, ijay Hawaii. Bueno, ako ni tinagan na dijay. Ang misag ba, pakiunos mo man, dato yung headset. Pangbangir. Ada na may amidig nga. Yan. Okay na siya. Isa pa rin tong microphone. Oo, yung microphone namin isa pa rin. Aha, as requested, Your Love by Alamid Kano, Amak Balong, may kan. Awang namin to, ikadwak dito ikot. May kan. May kambalong. Okay. Awamutan. Di naman. Awamutan ti kadwakon. Anyway, kumansyon nagpayapo ti Maysa. Pag-urayan ta dandaning nga umayan. At kita aman ti sonata. Dahito'y kalakaan. The shadows follow me, and the night won't set me free. But I don't let the evening get me down. Now that you're around me, and you love me too. Your thoughts are just for me. You set my spirit free. I'm happy that you do. The book of life is brief, and once the page is read, all of the love is there. That is my belief. And yes, I know how loveless life can be. The shadows follow me, and the night won't set me free. But I don't let the evening get me down. Now that you're around me.
Paikanta Fräulein.
Para kinikab sa ating Akoni. Thank you very much, Manang Darlene. Ayan, beautiful rendition with the piece.
You're the one who never lets me sleep. Through my mind, down through my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. If you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I'm all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. That flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind, I can't believe it's true, but in my heart, the reality is you. I'm all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning
Godspeed your love to me. Lonely river flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Yeah. Lonely riverside, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch. Alone, lonely time, and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you so much? I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed.